12 questions. So the first one, the 11th one, the A and B undertook to do a piece of work for 100 rupees. So it's for 100 rupees, so it's a waste, and A can do a piece of work in 5 days and B can do the same work in 10 days. With the help of C, it finished A plus B plus C in 2 days. So now here A alone can do it in 5 days, B alone can do it in 10 days, and C alone I don't know, because in the question there is not mentioned, and we have to find the same in terms of C. So this is what the question. C be paid for his contribution. But before going to solve that, so I need to take 5 days, 10 days and 2 days. What is LCM of 5, 10, 2? It's 10. So 5, 2 times 10, 1 time, 2, 5 times. So now I am able to realize that A, 2 parts of work can be done in 1 day. This is what 1 day work. So B alone can do 1 piece of work, and C alone, after adding C, I can get 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus what will be 5? So the answer is 2. So A is to B is to C is 2 is to 1 is to 2. Now the question is what to be paid to C. So the 100 is the value into 2 is the part 2 divided by total number of parts. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. 5 how many times? 5 20 times, 22 times, it's 40. So answer is 40 rupees. Next, moving to the next question. The 20 workers can do a piece of work. 20 workers can do a piece of work in 30 days. After how many days should 5 workers leave? After how many days 5 workers should leave? That means 15 workers are working for 35 days regularly, on regular basis. But the 5 workers are leaving. Before leaving, they worked for few days. I don't know about it. I can consider it as X days. So if I consider these two, this is the exact value of a work. So 20 times 30, M1 D1 should be equals to 15 times 35 plus 5x. So that x have to be calculated. That's it. So 15 times 35. 35 times 10 is 350. 350 half is 175. So 350 plus 175 is nothing but 15 times 35. So 525, and this is 600. If I keep the other side, it's 5x is 75, 5 ones 5 15s. So the value of x is 5 how many times 75? 15 days. So answer is 15. After 15 days, the 5 people should take leave. After how many days? Means 5 days. Moving to the next question. So Arun and Vinay can do a piece of work in 7 days. Arun and Vinay can do it in 7 days. Arun does twice much work. So Arun and Varun. So in how many days we don't know, but they can do twice work. So 1 day work is twice than Varun. So if I add, it should be 3. That means Arun can do 2 pieces of work, Varun can do 1 piece of work. If I add these two, it's 3. So 7 3 times total work is 21 pieces, 21 units of work. So what I need to get here, the actual question is, in how long Arun alone? So here is the question. So 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 should be there. So 21 by 2 is 10.5 days. Moving ahead. moving ahead. Next question. Subhash can copy 50 pages in 10 hours. Subhash, 10 hours, he can copy 50 pages. He can copy 50 pages. Subhash and Prakash can copy 300 pages in 40 hours. In 40 hours. In how much time Prakash can copy? Prakash can copy 30 pages. 30 pages. So if the same work is there, then only I can able to calculate. So for that, what I will do, so I can consider, so 300 is here, so here 30 is there. So what I will do, I can make it as, I can consider it as 300 pages in 40 hours, so 30 pages in 4 hours. I can consider it. So 30 and 30, now these two are equal. And to make even this equal, I need to consider in 1 hour it can do 5 pages. So Subhash can copy in 1 hour 5, then only in 10 hours 50 pages. That can be realized by me. So now the 30 to equate the work 5 6 times. So 5 6 times 6 hours. So 30 pages of work. So now 30 pages and 30 pages. Work is equal. Now it is very simple for me to calculate. So Subhash in 6 hours, Prakash in how many hours? Subhash plus Prakash in 40 hours. Subhash and Prakash in how many hours? No, 4 hours. In 4 hours. So this is the question. So now 6 and 4 LCM is 12. 6 2 times, 4 3 times. What I should add? 1. So 12 by 1, answer is 12 hours. Answer is 12 hours. Why I am equating? Even then the 50 pages, 30 pages, 300 pages I can calculate, but without that it is very long process to calculate. I am just making it shorter by just making the works equal. How can I make the equal? Because the question is for 30 pages, I am just converting in terms of 30 pages so as to get the actual value in number of days. So moving ahead, 15th question. X number of men can finish a piece of work in 30 days. X number of men can finish a work in 30 days. So if there are 6 more men, that means x plus 6 more men could finish in 10 days. So could finish in 10 days, 10 days less, not 10 days, 10 days less, that is 20 days. So okay, what is the original number? What we require to find is x. As you know, m1, this is m1, this is d1, this is d2, this is m2. So x into 30 equals to x plus 6 into 20. So 0 0 cancel. 3x equal to 2x plus 12. X equals to 12. That's it. X equals to 12. Original value is x, and if we require x plus 6, the value will be 12 plus 6, it's 18. Now the next question. Shashi can do a piece of work in 25 days and Rishi can do it in 20 days. They worked for 5 days and then Shashi goes away. Okay, they worked for, okay, so Shashi and Rishi. So 25 and 20, the LCM is 100. If the LCM is 100, 25 how many times 100? 25 4 times 100, 25 times 100. If I add, it's 9. So for 5 days they worked. And later, who worked alone after 5 days? In how many days? Rishi. So Rishi x days. I don't know. Rishi x days. This is equal to the 100. So by substituting the same, s plus r, the value is 9. S plus r, the value is 9. So 5 times 9, 5 times 9 is 45 plus x, Rishi I don't know, equals to 100. So 100 minus 45, x Rishi is 55. X Rishi is 55. I know that Rishi value is 5. So 5x equal to 55, 5 ones, 5 11s, so x value is 11. So none of the above. Is that the question? In how many days? Rishi, how many more days? Yeah. So none of the above. So 11 should be the answer. Moving to the next question. Raju can do a piece of work in 10 days, Vicky can do it in 12 days and Tinku can do it in 15 days. They all start the work together, but Raju leaves after 2 days. After 2 days. So first 2 days, Raju, Vicky and Tinku. All the 3 fellows worked plus 2 days and Vicky leaves after 3 days. That means after that only Rinku plus Vicky worked for 1 day. Later Vicky left and before the work is completed, Vicky leave 3 days before. Okay. Vicky leave 3 days before. Okay. Vicky leave 3 days before. That means Rinku is a guy who worked for the entire time. Rinku is a guy who worked for the complete days. Complete days. And Vicky is a guy who worked. Tinku left. Raju leaves. Yeah. Raju leaves after 2 days. Wait, this should not be. Okay, so Raju, Vicky and Tinku. Raju leave. So Raju leave after 2 days. So Raju worked only for 2 days. Raju worked only for 2 days. And Vicky leave 3 days before. Vicky leave 3 days before. That means from here to here, Vicky worked. Total number of days is X. Assume that total number of days is X, then this is 2 days. Because that is very clear. And Vicky worked for X minus 3 days. The reason is leftover is 3 days. So before completion of 3 days, he left the job. So, and Tinku is a guy who worked for X days. Who worked for X days. So now we need to calculate. See, 10, 12, 15. What is LCM? LCM is 60. 10, 6 times, 12, 5 times, 15, 4 times. So now it is very easy for us as we take 60 units as a work. 60 units as a work. 60 equals to the work done by Tinku. Tinku for how many days? X days. X days. Each day he will do 4 works. So 4x plus. And Rinku will do 6 works. 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus. And Vicky will do 5 works. But for how many days? X minus 3 days. So X minus 3 into X minus 3 into Vicky. It's 5. So if you understood the step 60 equals to 4x plus 12 plus x minus 3 into 5. Comment box, please. U in the comment box. Type U in the comment box. Okay, very good. So 4x and 5x is 9x. 12 minus 15 is minus 3 equals to 60. 60 minus 3 is 57. 57 equals to 9x. 9 how many times is that? Minus 15 minus 3, 5x, 9x, minus 3, yeah, plus 3. It's 63. 63, 9 ones, 9 sevens. So x value is 7. So x value is 7. So please understand, this is the number of pieces of work, and this is the work done for one day, 6, 5, 4. And here how I am implementing this is very, very important. 3 days before the job or 2 days after. So I should be very clear, right? So moving ahead. Next question. Sambhu can do a half work in 8 days. Half work in 8 days means full work in 16 days. While Kalu can do 1/3 work in 6 days. 1/3 in 6 days means full work in 18 days. Full work in 18 days. 18 days. I will repeat. And how long will it take for both of them to finish? Yeah, both of them. 16 and 18. What is LCM? 16 and 18. 16 and LCM. 16 and so taking 2 here with the 2. 2 8 times 2. How many times? 9 times. So 18 8 time will be my LCM, or 16 9 time will be my LCM. That's it. So 16 9 time is 144, or 18 8 time is 144. So if that is the case, so I should add, because they both working together. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So in how many days means 144 by 17 days. So answer over. Okay, I will come back. Next question. Manoj is twice as much time as Anjay. Yeah, Manoj is twice as much time as Anjay. Please understand, this is time. So this is 3 if it is 1, and 3 times 3 thrice as much as Vijay, twice. So it's twice and 3 times as Vijay. So if Vijay is 1 day, then Manoj should be in 3 days. If Ajay is 1 day, Manoj is in 2 days. So this is the ratio what mentioned in first 2 lines. So together they finish the work in 1 day. Together. M plus A plus V in 1 day. That's it. 1 day. What is the time taken by Manoj to finish the work? What is the time taken for the Manoj to? So 3 times 2 is 6. So I can consider, if these are the 2 ratios, I can consider this can be 6 days. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3 days. As it should be twice, so that should be half. And this should be thrice, so it should be 2 days. So 6, 3, 2. What is LCM? It's 6. What is LCM? It's 6. If it is 6, 1 day work is 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. So these are the works. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So 6 by 6 is 1 day. Yes or no? So what he is asking about Manoj. So that Manoj, yeah, 6 by 1, 6 days is right answer. So 6 days is right answer. Moving to the next question. An engineer undertakes a project to build a road 15 kilometers in 300 days. So 300 days is the T1, and kilometers work, W1. So W1 is 15 kilometers, T1 is 300, and employees M1 is 45. So 45 men for the purpose. After 100 days, so after 100 days he finds only 2.5 kilometer of the road has been completed. Only 2.5 kilometers only completed, that means the rest is 12.5, because 2.5 kilometers finished, that means the rest is 12.5 kilometers. So road has been completed. Find the approximate number of extra men he must employ to finish the work in time. Okay, so there are 45 people, there are 45 men for the purpose. After 100 days he finds only 2.5, that means 45 men in 100 days they can able to finish only 2.5 kilometers. So this should be understood by you. 45 men in 100 days 2.5 kilometer constructed. So now you have to find what? You have to find 45 plus how much? Find approximate number of extra men. Extra men is X. 45 plus X. Extra men is 45 plus X into in 300. 100 days are over. The left is only 200. 200 divided by, in total 15 kilometers. 2.5 kilometers already done. Now it should be 12.5. Then only it will be 15 kilometers. So 2.5 once, 2.5 5 times, 5 once. So 2 zeros cancel. I cannot cancel 5. So this 5 times 45. 5 times 45 is 225. Is that so? 225. 225 equals to 45 2 times 90 plus 2x. 90. 225 minus 90 is 135. 135 by 2 is x. 135 by 2 is x. 135 half is approximately 68. Approximately 68. So answer is over. This is the end of from 11th question to 20th question. In next video we will check 21st to 30th question.